Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at a reaction involving alcohols. And the reaction we're going to look at is a dehydration reaction. So dehydration, think about for us, if we're dehydrated, it means we need to get water. So dehydration is the removal of water, okay? And we're going to take an alcohol with the functional group OH, and we're going to turn the alcohol into an alkene, which has the functional group C double bond C. Okay, let's give you an example of what I mean. So here is ethanol. So ethanol means it's got two carbons. It's ethanol, so it's an alcohol. So there is my functional group. And then we put our hydrogens on the carbons. Okay, so there is ethanol. We can put down here as well. That is CH3, CH2, OH. And what we're going to do, we're going to dehydrate this, and to dehydrate it, we heat it, and we also do it in the presence of an acid catalyst. So I'm putting H2SO4 there. That's going to be my catalyst, which is going to help this reaction to work. And what happens in this reaction is we lose water. In fact, I'll show you this bit first. We lose the water, and the ones we lose to make the water, okay, are going to be these here and H2O. So there's my water, it's going to be lost. So that leaves me with the two carbons. And what happens between these two carbons is it uses the bonds that have been left behind to make a second bond. And then we've got two hydrogens on this one because we've lost one. Here I've got two hydrogens again because we lost our OH. And on the end we have plus H2O. This is ethene, that's an alkene, there's my functional group. So we've turned alcohol into an alkene via a dehydration, removal of water reaction. Okay, try one more. Underneath here I've got propan 1-ol. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to put my OH on, put my H's on, and there is propan 1-ol. Same conditions, we need to heat it and we need a catalyst, which is acid catalyst. And again, what happens here is we are going to lose the water, so we're going to lose this H2O, and it uses those bonds, those electrons left in there to make the new bond that we need. So there's 1, 2, 3. This has been unaffected, so it's 1, 2, 3 hydrogens. This one in the middle has lost one of its hydrogens, so only got one left. Remember, this is making a new bond because this is where the electrons have been left behind. This one on the end has got a hydrogen and a hydrogen, but no OH anymore because that's been lost. And then we get our plus water. And this is propan 1-ol. This is called 1, 2, 3, so it's prop. And then the double bond means it's an alkene, so it's propene that we have produced by dehydration.